Shirley, our dear daughter and niece, forgive me. Your uncle and the whole family love you dearly. This song is my belated birthday gift, sung with joy, straight from my heart. Oh, it pains me that I missed your great day. Your birthday is September 16, 2025.